Hello everyone. So if you want to use your Motorola Razr 50 as a mirror, well, first of all we have to fold our phone because this mode works only in the folded version of it. Alright, now we have to summon our camera. You can do this either by two wrist moves. Let's do this again. It may not work from the first time, it's fine. If it's still not working, you can always double tap your power button and it will activate eventually. So for the best quality, I recommend you to turn over your phone so the cameras are facing upwards. All right, now how do we go to our mirror mode? So we're gonna tap on our photo. As you see, it's in photo mode, and here we are to choose mirror. And now we've entered our mirror mode. So what can we do here? We can take photos. Simply tap on your screen and the photo is made. Now if you're gonna tap for a long time, you're gonna summon some cool effects like broken glass, like frost, smoke at some part of the screen, as I remember. Yeah, right here. So just like this. You can always pinch your image by using this scale. So simply tap on this three buttons at the top right corner and use it. You can also do this with your fingers, just like this. And the last but not least, here at the top left corner, when you're pressing at your three buttons, you can activate your frame. And basically that's it. If you want to escape from this mode, simply close your camera by any means possible or unfold your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.